Look at baby Kyrie go. Go, Kyrie, go. You got it.
I got my new slides.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, because the old ones were small.
Yeah.
I was just looking in our neighbor's yard.
Hi guys, so today is Saturday and I decided to bring the boys outside. Kyrie, go. Kyrie, you see a car. Go get Barbara. Go get Barbara. But I decided to bring the boys outside. I did perm my hair, you guys, and I straightened it today, so it looks really good. My hair is growing so much. I don't know how because I don't do anything to it. guys, so today is Thursday the 19th because yesterday was my son's birthday. But me and Laquan is about to make some pizza. So when I went to the grocery store, I found this Chef Boyardee pizza maker. I got it in cheese, but I do like pepperoni, so I did buy like extra pepperoni in here. It makes 2 pizzas and it says 12 inches. So yeah, we're about to make some pizza, and then I'm also going to be making tacos for my mom. But yeah, I wanted to make something kind of quick and fast for my son because it is like 8 o'clock. We're eating dinner a little bit later because I was doing some work in my room. But let's grab the pepperoni out the refrigerator. My cinnamon things. Oh, found it, you guys. I told him that. I checked his temperature. It was 98.
Yeah, those are the
something.
ones.
Okay.
But this is the pepperoni that I bought. And you guys, my son says his throat is scratchy. So I had to check his temperature because, you know, the kids are back in school and you want to be safe as possible.
And I got a cough drop. It's in
So
the mouth.
yeah, I just gave him a cough drop for now. And
you're gonna make me some hot tea, right?
yes, I'm gonna make you some hot tea. So, oh, we've never bought this before, but it comes with
A packet.
a can of pizza maker sauce. Okay, we might have to do this another day because I didn't know you actually have to make the dough, you guys.
Oh, I could
I'll take the dough.
Didn't know this, but it comes with,
Fine by me.
hold on, we have this, it's pizza dough, basically like,
Fine by me.
but you have to make it. So I probably just do this another time, so you guys will be seeing this box again. I think I'm just going to make the tacos for everybody just because this, I don't know why I was thinking that the crust was already whole. That's not the case, you guys. You actually have to roll it out and everything, and I didn't read any of the instructions until now. I will have to make this another day just because I can't make this in time for him to go to bed. So change of plans, you guys. I'm going to make tacos for dinner.
Really?
Yeah, there's another pizza in there, but it's just regular pizza. But we're going to have to do this another day because you have to go to school in the morning. And we got to make the dough. Like, you actually have to put, like...
Well, it's only 8:07, so we gotta...
You got to use warm water and something about a fork. I'm not reading the whole thing. You got to form it. It's a lot of work. So we can do this next Friday when you come home.
So I'm just gonna eat tacos?
Yeah, we're just going to eat tacos. Okay, guys. So you get to watch me cook tacos.